Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Facebook Lite at friend option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Tap on hold Facebook Lite. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. And scroll down, click on storage, tap on clear data and tap on clear. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Facebook Lite. Update Facebook Lite app if available. Go to Facebook Lite. Now add friend option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.